everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable disabled apps on your Samsung phone or just your Android phone in general. So you might have disabled one of these apps by simply just holding down on it, just like this, and accidentally press the disabled option. So this is OneDrive. I'm going to disable it. Now it's going to be removed from my phone and also the app selection. So to re-enable it, because it's gone, I want to go to Settings and scroll on down. And we want to locate apps. So let's find apps right here. And then just find the app. And we can simply just click enable. So this is going to take some time to load here. And when it loads, we can go on down now. And let's find OneDrive wherever it is. And it should say it's disabled just under this menu here. So did I go by it? Nope, not yet. And here it is, OneDrive. I can see it says it's disabled. I can go to it. Then I can go to enable down here at the bottom. Now I can open up this app again, and I might want to drag it back to the home screen under the app selection. So I can just go to it, wherever it may be, and hold down on it like this, and you can add it to the home screen with one of those options. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below.